এটা জানো
জীবনে জানে ওরা সবসময় বালের প্রাণের সসটা দিবে, কখনো এরকম টেস্ট হবে না প্রাণের সস দিবে।
ওরা নর্মালটা বানায়, বুঝো
না,
না?
টমেটো পিউরে দিতে হবে। পিউরের দাম এমন বেশি না, ওটা বলবা টমেটো পিউরে নিয়ে নিন, ক্যান টমেটো পিউরে, ওটা মেন ইনগ্রিডিয়েন্ট। এটা হচ্ছে না
তুমি
বললেই
করো
হয়।
না, আমি তোমার ভিডিও করি, তুমি করো।
আচ্ছা,
আমি স্পেসিফিক মনে আসতেছে না, তুমি করো।
মনে আসতেছে না এটা কিভাবে বানানো হয়েছে।
স্পেসিফিক ভাবে আর মনে আসতেছে না, স্পেসিফিক ভাবে কথা মনে আসতেছে না।
আচ্ছা,
তুমি
আমি
করো,
বলি
ইটস
তাহলে।
ইজি টু সে বাট ডিফিকাল্ট টু ডু। আসো, এসে করো। তুমি করো, আমি ভিডিও করি। তুমি করো। আমার মনে আসছে একটা একটা জিনিস অ্যাড করবা, কজ আমি মাছ খাচ্ছি, আমি এটা খাচ্ছি না। তো তুমি কিভাবে বানাবা দেখো, কতটুকু দিবা। আমি ভিডিও করি, তুমি অ্যাড জিনিসগুলো দাও।
ঠিক আছে। Yeah, we're making lasagna. We got the lasagna sheets here. As you can see, we've separated them. You can get it from the super shop. Then we already started making it. There's some here. We placed it there. And the mince meat, the beef keema, is the special main ingredient of this, which is right here. We have to make it with basically the main secret ingredient of this is basically pizza sauce. You can get the canned pizza sauce or the tomato purees. You can mix those, or you can just use canned tomato puree for this. And look at that golden delicious. Oh my god, I'm just hungry right now watching it. Yeah, we have to braise the whole thing, the casserole dish, with butter so that it doesn't stick to the glass. So now we started. You can put as much keema as you want, as much mince meat as you want. As I'm a greedy guy, I would have loved to have more keema here, but due to budget constraints lately for the pandemic, we are going economical. So there will be a slight thin layer of mincemeat for the first sheet, right? That's it. I'm happy with that. Now I might put just a little bit here, just for some surprise. This is mainly for the top. This is mainly for the topping, but I'm just gonna surprise my tummy a bit with this one. Yes. Then we'll just go for. So basically, this is mozzarella cheese, and that's the usual normal chaka cheese that you can get of many companies, salted cheese. And so we're gonna put the salted cheese usually goes good on the top, and the mozzarella for the body you can use the mozzarella. And that's my son there wanting to cook. So yeah, let's go for some cheese. You can put as much as you want, but since I didn't give much keema, I'm gonna put the thin sheets here. Yes, and that's my sonny boy, our little angel. So there you go. This is a big one. We'll put it later, or we can just put it on the side here, no problem. So yeah, next step is this here, but I just want to give a little bit more keema, just not to mess it up. Just a little bit on the side. Let's just use my hands here, it's easier. Just on the sides there. Yeah, that was a bit less keema. Now it looks good. So I'm just putting a bit of the regular cheese here. Just a bit of the regular cheese. Just to mash it up a bit. Just a little bit. It richens the flavor of the cheese. If we had 4 types of cheese, that would have been better, but that's the best I could do for now. Now, I'll go for another sheet. So I'll place it first like that. It's up to you how much thickness you want. I usually go for thin. I don't want much thickness, but today I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go for 3 sheets per layer because I'm a bit hungry. And I love food. So there you go. The next one is the same thing. We'll just go for the keema. I'll include the morich here because it's the flavor. You can remove the. Once again, we're braising the whole thing with butter. This increases the taste and it's good. Emulsifies the thing. It makes it moisturous. It's good for the taste maybe. Let's put it like that over there. So that's good. Let's take that off. Now we can put the keema here. I like a bit of chili with mine, so you can remove the, as I said, you can remove the kachamurich. In this layer, I'm gonna keep meat free because I need some meat for the toppings. I'm just gonna put cheese here, a layer of cheese for my viewing pleasure. So yeah, I'm still putting some cheese here, just a little bit, just for the, you know, to save up, because I need this for the toppings. And now one of the more ingredients, we use this tomato paste for the keema. Now I'm going to use it again over the pasta sheet. Obviously you can use the spoon. I'm free with my hands, so don't judge me. I like to get my hands dirty. You can see this, you can use it for all the layers, for all 3 layers, but I'm just using it for this one because it's that damn good. It's gonna taste quite good because when you bite into it, you're gonna get some extra sauce in this layer. So we don't need to put it in the other layers, it will just be here. If you want, you can put it on the top layer as well. And that's it. Just a little bit there. And I need to save some for my household, or else my maid's gonna be angry. Okay, it's good enough. Don't think we need any more. There you go. Let's rinse it off the spoon. And here, now, let's just paste it a bit, positive.
3 layer.
Put the final layers. Here we go. Final layer. I should not make it so thick, but since we have a lot of sheets, I'm gonna make it thick anyways. So my son is excited about this, I'm sure. And there we go. Should I put one more? Let's go for one more. Or 2 more. Let's make it thick. Like a pie. Actually, the bottom should have been thicker. I did the reverse stuff. You should try to make. I made a mistake today. You should put this on the base. Put 4 sheets on the bottom, then 3 sheets on the middle, then 2 sheets on top. That would be the best. But since I'm too hungry today, I got too excited and did the other way around. So let's finish up with a little butter. Let's put up some butter here. Okay, as you can see, buttered it up. Gives a good taste. Oops. Usually gives a good taste. And it's keeps the stuff together. The function of the butter. Okay, now let's dig in. This is the final and last layer. All the keema goes on top. All the keema goes on top. Let's just do it right now. Then we'll mix all the cheese and any toppings like mushrooms. We don't have mushrooms right now, but if I had mushrooms, I would have given mushrooms. And these are the last final toppings. This sausage is the piece. I just love this tomato paste. So good. You can send me comments to ask for which tomato paste I use. I'll put it on the description or in the comments. I'll reply to the comments if you have any query regarding the sauce or the recipe of the keema. That's sort of really important. So as usual, I used a bit too much keema. I think we need more than half. There was half kg keema here. But I think that was not enough for 3-layer lasagna. You can make 2-layer lasagna for half kg keema. But I'll still make up for it with sauce. A bit of. I'm just gonna put a little bit of puree, just a little bit, just to mix for the flavor. To make up for the saucy bits. There you go. Voila. Where there is no keema, put some tomato puree. Like that. Okay, that's done. We're gonna fill it up with this first. And give some toppings. Let's just fill it up here. Fill her up, fill her up. If you have more puree, you can just use it, but I have to save some for my meat, my household. And then we go for the keema. Let's just mix it. Let's just mix it. Let's just mix it right now. I don't think it will take like an hour, but let's see.
You just need 20 to 25 minutes.
Yeah, around 10. Keema is already cooked, by the way, so we can put it that long.
Yeah, it's all done.
Yeah, it's done.
This looks good.
Yeah. With one cheese. Oh, this is gonna. Why are you talking? So yeah, finally we put all the cheeses together. There's some yam, tomato paste, and the remaining black olives here. I wish there was more cheese, but today we're limited to one whole cheese, 300 gram cheese, and another 370 gram cheese, mozzarella. That should have done the trick. So that's it, no more sheets, 3 sheets, and 3 layers of minced meat and sauce over the sheets. The first layer has to be a bit much, and the medium layer should be less, and the topping, the final layer, should be as much as you can give or as appropriate. You don't have to give much either, it will be awesome anyways. You can decorate it your way. You can put it just like that. Now it's done, we're putting it in the oven. We have to preheat the oven for 5 or 10 minutes, and after the oven is heated up, we can put it in there for 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on the color. You have to check if the color is getting a bit yellowish. You cannot get it burned. If it's yellowish, it's okay. Yellowish to slight orange, it's alright. It's best color, but don't make it brown. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna put it on the oven now, and let's see what happens after 20 minutes. I'll show you after 20 minutes. Yeah, I'll have to show you after 20 minutes. And if it's not done, we'll put it back in. So see you after 20 minutes. Alright?
Okay, start.
So yeah, we're putting it in the oven. It goes. I preheated the oven first. Be careful. Always wear your oven gloves when taking it out. So yeah, we're gonna put it on 180 degree. Let's try 180 degree, and we can increase it later. Let's go for 180 degree first. There you go. Put it for 180. If it's not done, I'll increase it after 20 minutes. Put it to 215 in the end. So there it goes. And the mode has to be on both sides, right? It's done. Further 10 minutes more. So basically you can actually put it in the oven for at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. That should be looking like that. Should get that color. If I put it more, it will get burnt a little, so I'm not going to do that. Let's just take it out now. As you can see, this is the color, basically this is the color we want. As you can see. There we go. Put it on the dish. This is it. It's done now. 30 minutes in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius should get you this color. If you have more time, you can put 180 degree for 40 to 50 minutes. If you have time on your hand. Since everyone's hungry, I put it in 200. I increase the temperature, and for 200 at 25 minutes or 30 minutes should do the trick. So there you go. Looks nice and delicious. Now let's see how it looks. Looks good. And let's slice it a bit. Let's let's make big pieces. You can make small portions of this. It's very good. It's very nice and petite. Let's make another portion here. It's now the moment of truth. Oh yes, it's very good. This looks good. Look at that. Oh, it's just a nice lasagna right there. Beautiful. And it tastes so good. Let's see. Oh my god.